Good Tuesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. A powerful area of low pressure is working up the west coast of Alaska this hour at 986 millibars. It has plenty of moisture attached to it and meeting up with colder air over the western interior and the Seward Peninsula as well as Norden and Kotzebue Sounds. Expect the snow to fly, especially across more areas of the Yukon Valley and northward toward the south-facing slopes of the Brooks Range. With that, a number of winter storm warnings and even blizzard warnings are in effect at this hour. Let's roll through a few of those. Around St. Lawrence Island and the Bering Strait coast, blizzard warnings are in effect at this hour. Expect blowing, drifting snow and zero visibility at times. A lot of that will continue to be in place through 6 o'clock Wednesday night. Watch for winds from the north and east up to 35 miles per hour, gusting to 50 at times. Across the lower Kobuk and Noatak valleys, as well as eastward into the upper Kobuk and Noatak valleys, and then southward toward the lower Koyukuk and middle Yukon, as well as the interior parts of the Seward Peninsula and the Norton Sound coastline. You're looking at some decent snowfall accumulations, as little as 2 to 4 inches of snow as you get toward Grayling, and as much as 10 to 16 inches as you head up toward the upper Kobuk and Noatak valleys there. A lot of that will continue to flow into your region through tonight and into early Thursday morning, so winter storm warnings are posted in those regions. A little bit further south, right along the Yukon Valley itself, generally from the Yukon Delta, from St. Mary's eastward toward the upper Kuskokwim Valley, including areas around McGrath, at least a little bit of freezing rain is possible in those regions. Most will experience less than 1/10 of an inch, but watch for freezing rain advisories to continue in your areas tonight and into early tomorrow morning. As low pressure continues to work northward over the Seward Peninsula, the system itself will weaken as it runs into some drier air. Watch for a frontal boundary to lift further northward as we go into Thursday. Another round of colder air drops into the Chukchi Seacoast, keeping snow going across the coastal plain and the Arctic coast. Don't expect any advisories for the amounts of snow there, but the wind will be pushing that around as well, so expect poor visibility at times. Another wave of warmer air is lifting northward across the Alaska Peninsula toward the Pribilofs and the central and western chain. That will bring periods of rain and snow showers to the Pribilofs and areas west of Adak. Rain showers are expected for southeast once again, with high pressure in charge of the upper Yukon Valley, and south central expect more of a clear and dry sky into the midweek. With Alaska's statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder.